Hi all, welcome back to All About Radio. So today we are gonna do unboxing of Sony ICF 306. This radio I bought a couple of weeks ago, but I was a bit busy with my work, so I couldn't do unboxing of this. So today I thought let me do unboxing and show you how this radio performs. So let's go ahead and open the box. Before that, I just want to tell you few features about this radio. So this is from Sony, and I found a cool thing here. If you see, it says importer to European market. So I think this was kind of imported from Europe, because I don't see any price tag here which shows Indian rupees or something. Yeah, coming back to the future, this is a FM AM radio which has the LED tuning indicator and a battery status indicator. This thing is cool, this helps, and this helps in finding the stations that are tuned. On the top of the box we just have this logo, ICF 306. On the side I just showed you the importer details, and here made in China, obviously. Yes, yeah. This is a FM AM radio and it runs on 2 AA batteries. So let's go open this box and see. Sorry for that disturbance. Yeah, this is what we have in the box. The first leaf of details that we have is about the warranty. Sony warranty, terms and conditions, okay, exclusions and limitations. Yeah, that's all about the warranty and the details of the customer support page. This is kind of service use. Okay, these are the operation instructions. Okay, battery related. Okay, the bands that we can switch, and the battery indicator, tuning, which is on the top here. I would expect it to be here, tuning, and the volume to be here, but I think it's okay. And this has a mono earphone output. You cannot expect stereo here. Okay, this is about the antenna direction for SM reception, and for RAM obviously you have to move the antenna as per the signal direction. Cool, bit of basic stuffs here, nothing more. Yeah, that's all. So let's go to the radio. Okay, this is the radio. In the front we have this FM frequency, AM frequency, and the dial position. Here we have the battery indicator, tuning indicator, which after installing batteries we will find one of this light, I guess. Here we have FM AM selector, and this is also on off switch. This is a tuning dial, which obviously I would expect it to be here, but it is on the top. Instead of volume we have tuning, and instead of tuning, yeah, here is the earphone jack which I showed you. This is mono. Okay, this is the volume dial. What else do you have? Like Sony ICF 306. Nothing here and nothing on the back. We have this FM antenna which can be, yeah, it can be moved 360 degrees. So let's move ahead and install batteries here. This is a battery compartment, and yeah, we have our Eneloop Pros. Let's go to the AM band and see what we get on the AM band. Let me show you the time. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening here, Bangalore, India. So we have just turned on the radio. Let me volume up and tune on the AM band.
ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം 7 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് 59 മിനിറ്റും 53 സെക്കൻഡും. ഇനി 8 മണിക്ക് സമാചാർ സന്ധ്യ, തുടർന്ന് ഈവനിംഗ് ന്യൂസ് ഡൽഹി.
आकाशवाणी से प्रस्तुत है समाचार संध्या.
This is the local station.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने उत्तर प्रदेश के शाहजहांपुर में गंगा एक्सप्रेसवे की आधारशिला रखते हुए कहा, इससे क्षेत्र में विकास की नई राहें खुलेंगी. सरकार ने मर्यादा के साथ विकास के लिए तुष्टीकरण को खत्म किया. राष्ट्रव्यापी टीकाकरण अभियान के अंतर्गत अब तक करीब 1.36 करोड़ 66 लाख कोविड के टीके लगे. स्वस्थ होने की दर 98.38%.
ભાડીએ છીએ. આપણો આનંદ અને શાંતિ ઉડી જાય છે અને આપણે ઈશ્વરના કોપના ભયથી ફફડી જઈએ છીએ. જ્યારે શૈતાન આવું કરીને આપણને મૂંઝવણમાં મૂકે ત્યારે આપણે તેને તાબે થઈએ છીએ અને આપણી પોતાની સાક્ષીનું સામર્થ્ય ઘટાડી દઈએ છીએ. આવા સંજોગોમાં ઈશ્વરના વચનો આપણને સાચી સમજણ આપે છે. શૈતાની કુયુક્તિઓથી ઈશ્વરના માર્ગમાંથી ભટકી ન જવાય અને તેનો
Let's now go to the FM band.
मिर्ची सख्त हाथ मगा
You see that, antenna is not required. The radio is still picking FM stations very strongly without the antenna. And it is even better when the antenna is stretched and we have the whip stretched fully.
ನಾಡಿನ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಕ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ
153 per. This is by Roshan Bliza. This one is called Kaka.
So overall, it's a good radio, decent AM reception, good FM reception, I can say. It caught all the local stations and without even extending the antenna, the stations were quite clear, and the sound quality of this radio is very good, which I really like. And it gives around 200 hours of play with a 2AA battery. If you're using it with alkaline battery, then you might get 180 to 200 hours of radio time. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to show you how this Sony ICF 306 performs. I will make another video about this with a Texan loop antenna. Let's see how better can we tune it on AM. I basically bought this radio to listen to AM. It is good on AM, but lots of noise and there is no option for DXing. I mean, the distance stations are still invisible here. So let us say it with the Texan loop antenna and check what we find. Thank you guys for your time and thank you for being with me. You have a good time.